unlocking the meaning of ring in another year. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might hear especially around New Year's time. Ring in another year. This expression is rich in cultural and historical context, and understanding it can really enhance your grasp of the English language. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this fascinating phrase. Ring in another year refers to the celebration or acknowledgement of the start of a new year. The word ring, in this context, comes from the old tradition of ringing bells to mark significant events or times. Historically, bells were rung to celebrate the end of one year and the beginning of another. This phrase encapsulates the spirit of celebration, hope, and the welcoming of new beginnings that come with a new year. The tradition of ringing bells on New Year's Eve has a long history. In many cultures, the sound of bells is believed to ward off evil spirits and herald the arrival of good fortune and new opportunities. The act of ringing in is symbolic of leaving the past behind and stepping into a new phase with optimism and joy. This section could explore the historical significance of bells in various cultures and how this has contributed to the modern usage of the phrase. Using ring in another year in conversation or writing imbues your language with a sense of tradition and celebration. It's most commonly used during New Year's festivities but can also be applied metaphorically to signify new beginnings or major changes at any time of the year. Examples of usage could include personal resolutions, professional milestones, or the start of new ventures. Today, ring in another year goes beyond just the literal ringing of bells. It encompasses a wide range of New Year's traditions, from fireworks and countdowns to intimate gatherings and reflective moments. This phrase captures the universal hope for progress and renewal that transcends cultures and languages. Highlighting how different cultures celebrate the new year can provide a rich tapestry of global traditions linked by a common theme. Ring in another year is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of human hope, renewal, and the continuous march of time. As we explore the depths of the English language, phrases like these enrich our understanding of culture, history, and shared human experiences. We hope this exploration has illuminated the beautiful complexity of English for you. Until next time, may you all find joy in learning and ringing in new beginnings, whatever they may be. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.